don't know what you've heard about budgeting, but budgeting is the foundation of financial stability. When you budget your finances, you know where your money is going and you can set realistic financial goals with informed data. This video will guide you through creating a personalized budget using this free template. The link to the free spreadsheet template is in the description below. Now, the first step to creating a budget is to gather all your bank statements from the past month. Anything that can literally show you where you spent your money in the previous month. The next step is to open the free sheet in the description of this video. There is a link to a spreadsheet that looks like this. To make a copy, simply go to File and make a copy, save to your drive. Track your expenses. In this step, you want to track all your expenses from the previous month using your bank statement. Now, let's go to the spreadsheet and let me explain the different columns you have to fill out. This is going to take time, but it will all be worth it when you're done. The first column here is date, where you simply put the date where you made the expenses. The next column is expenses, where you record exactly what you purchased, e.g., rent, transportation, grocery, whatever. The next is expenses category. We've added all the budget categories here for you. However, you can check our social media for more details on budget categories and items under them to help you categorize properly. You can adjust this type of expense or even eliminate them completely depending on your financial goals. In the next column, you categorize whether the spending is a need or want. While the final column is amount, where you put exactly how much you spent on the item. So, you need to go through all your bank statements to fill out this chart, which is something that's going to take time. And when you do so, you will notice that this chart will populate, which will give you an overview of where the bulk of your income is going. When you're done, the next step is to determine your financial health status. Figure out if you're financially healthy or not. And we are going to do that by subtracting your expenses from your income. Let's go back to the spreadsheet. And on the bottom, there is a tab that says Financial Health Status. Open that sheet and input your income for the month. Then, take a look at the column on the right and you'll find out your income and expenses are automatically populated from the previous section. What would also populate is the amount remaining after subtracting your expenses from your income. A positive number here means that you are spending less than your income, which means that you are financially healthy, while a negative means that you are not financially healthy and you need to make some adjustment. This is where you go back to your expense tracking sheet, analyze your expenses, and figure out how you can make adjustment. You can easily see which one is high from the chart here or by simply filtering by category. Over here, if your want is high, you can easily save money by cutting down on some of these things. However, if your need is what is high, then ladies and gentlemen, it's time to increase your earning potential and figure out if there are things you need to cut down on. The easiest way to identify that is the want and need column. Since your wants are things you can live without for a while, you want to filter this column by want. Carefully go through the expenses that fall within this category and see where you can make adjustment. Budgeting is a journey, and we've just covered the basics in this video, but there's more to explore. Our advanced tutorial will dive deeper into investing, saving strategies, and debt management. The bottom line is, when you're able to track your expenses and organize your money, you no longer live your financial life to chance and you can attain financial freedom early in life. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it very helpful. Let us know in the comments if there are any how-to videos you would like us to make. Until then, bye for now.